girl. Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you guys back. I just cannot stop touching this gorgeous hair. This wig unit is from Iseehair and it's just getting fluffier and fluffier each time. This is their 9x6 HD lace closure wig unit in kinky curly, 20 inches. So if you stretch it, it's definitely 20, but because the curl pattern is so tight, of course it's gonna shrink. But it is really giving summertime hair, staple hair, because all you have to do is just wear this unit and go. You just have to put it on and go. You do not have to do much. I decided to do a few tweaks here and there with the edges and so on, but if you are not that type of girl, you like natural looking lace, this is perfect. The knots are super tiny on this wig unit, not to mention the big lace space. So if you wanted to shift this wig to the side, do a side part, you could do that. It is an M cap unit, so around the ear is way more comfortable because it is shaped like a M to ensure that you can tuck this behind your ear, and just that your ear has that comfortability versus the old standard type of closure unit where it's just straight down, and sometimes it does hurt people's ears. And I'm so happy they came out with this new technology to solve all those problems, and so far so good. This hair looks yummy, the texture is gorgeous to die for. I always say it, Iseehair definitely has a good amount of textures that I do enjoy working with and love. So if you'd like to see how I installed this unit, it was super quick, super easy. And if you'd like to see how I installed it, just stick around and keep on watching. am back and this is the end result. I'm loving this gorgeous unit from Iseehair. This wig is super nice and super fluffy, and it is their 9x6 M cap HD lace wig unit, and it is in the texture kinky curly, of course. I feel like Isee definitely has one of the best kinky curly textures on the market so far, like being in touch with the whole hair game. I know for a fact that this hair is definitely one of the best. And then not to mention the M cap unit, which gives you a super snug fit. The curvature around the band here allows for your ears to sit comfortably under the wig unit without being hindered. So now, instead of having that black band there, if you want to put your hair behind your ear, you know, fluff it out or whatever, it is possible, and it just gives cute girl vibes, shy girl vibes. Yeah, but you could definitely tuck your hair behind your ear. I'm loving how full and fluffy this wig becomes as it dries down even more, which it is about 70% dry. It just definitely gets bigger and bigger, and I'm loving that. It is in 20 inches, and honestly, I could not ask for a better combo. This 9x6 HD lace ensures that we get the most seamless and realistic melt ever. Look at this. I'm gonna stick this right here, and as you can see, no strings attached. I can wiggle the comb. This lace eats, it melts so well into my skin tone, and it blends perfectly with my skin. I'm just living for this hairstyle overall. It's very summertime friendly, and we want hair above our shoulders for the summertime. Definitely get into it. Don't forget to check the links out in the description box if you'd like to purchase. This wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. All I had to do was just install it, and I did not even need to use any spray because off rip it does come with the adjustable band, and once you tighten that to your head size, this wig is not going anywhere, and I love that for me. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit and you are on the market for a kinky curly unit, definitely check the links out in the description box. It is super affordable, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.